Today in your constituency, we handed over 4 social housing units and broke ground for an 18-unit mid-yard development. And now we have some other plans for this constituency. And we need to have your member of parliament continue because he has a great understanding of what we plan for this constituency. We are going to launch in this constituency the most well-planned, well-structured and large urban renewal project, which will see the rebuilding, rehabilitation and renewal of the housing stock of Central Kingston. But more than that, as we start to renew this urban area, you are going to see a massive influx of investment, commercial and industrial investment in your constituency, which will mean that all of you who are here today, 5 years' time when we call meeting, on all your work, we have to go big half time because this area is slated for major development.